We're gonna walk over here. These guys do something with fire trucks. They're one of our neighbors. We're not really sure what they do, but anybody that does something with fire trucks must be pretty cool. So we're gonna go ask them if we can use their fire trucks in our extreme test lab. So we just got back from the fire emergency repair company. We got shut down there, but they gave us some ideas on how to contact the fire training center, and we're gonna go that route. And we're on our way back, and right in our front yard here, the waterworks is doing something. So we're gonna see if we can spray our lights down. All right, so they said we could do it. We can't really use the agency that's actually doing the spraying at the moment, but let's just say Pete said that he's gonna let us test right in front of our spot. So here we go. So we're taking every advantage we can of extreme conditions. And it just so happens we have 400 gallons a minute happening behind us while the local water people are just flushing a system. So we're going to use this opportunity to test some lights. All right, we're at the Haven Extreme Test Lab, and today we're testing 400 gallons a minute against our lights. Let's see what happens. So that's it. Hurricanes, 400 gallons a minute. It doesn't matter. Haven withstands it all. Haven Extreme Test Lab passed. Check us out at shophaven.com for more at the Haven Extreme Test Lab.